Good evening everyone. I want to tell you something about myself. Before saying anything else, I would like to pay thank you my respective sir who gave me this opportunity to say something about myself. My name is Kajal Saini. I am from Saharanpur, UP. Now about my family background, I have four members in my family including me, my parents, my elder brother and I. My father name is Mr. Rajkumar Saini. He is a doctor, and my mother name is Mrs. Savita Saini. She is a homemaker. Now about my qualification, I have completed my graduation from CCS University, and now currently I pursue my master's degree in CGC Landra, Mohali, Chandigarh. Now about my hobbies, I like reading books, sometimes playing games, watching movies, listening music, etc. And now about my positive points. My positive point is I am a good listener, and my negative point is I am overslept sometimes. And now about my um, future goal, I want a good opportunity and a good I want a good opportunity and want a job mm, suc- for my successful future in biotechnology field. Thank you so much listening to me very carefully.
How many days have you completed in this institute?
I
5 days have you completed. Okay, that's great. I will ask you the Hindi question. You have to convert in English, please.
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा सा गैप ले लीजिए. इधर आ जाइए थोड़ा सा. ज्यादा दूर चले गए हैं आप. थोड़ा आगे आ जाइए. Comfortable हैं आप? I will ask you the Hindi question. You have to convert in English. Okay. What is your name?
My name is Kajal Saini.
Okay, काजल सैनी. मैं सहारनपुर में रहती हूँ.
I live in Saharanpur.
मैं इंग्लिश सीखती हूँ.
I speak in English.
मैं इंग्लिश बोलती हूँ.
Sorry, sir. I learn सीखती. I learn English.
I learn
I
English.
speak English.
I speak English. मुझे इंग्लिश बोलने की जरूरत है. मुझे इंग्लिश बोलने की जरूरत है. I need to speak
I
English.
need to speak English.
Need तो बताया था ना?
Yes, sir.
You have to focus on your concept. First of all, you need to do practice basis on the concept. After then, do practice freely. जितने भी concept हैं उनकी free से आप practice करिएगा. Then you are able to speak and think quick and fast. Right? Okay. आप late क्यों आए?
Why are you come late?
Why did you come late?
Why did you come
आप उससे क्यों मिले?
Why did you meet him?
आपने practice क्यों नहीं की?
Why did you not practice?
Why didn't you practice? ठीक है. क्या आप सुबह जल्दी उठते हैं?
Yes.
क्या आप सुबह जल्दी उठते हैं?
Do you get up early in the morning?
हाँ, मैं सुबह जल्दी उठती हूँ.
Yes, I am get up early in the morning.
Yes, I get up early in the morning. M नहीं लगता है, habitual नहीं होना है. ठीक है. ओके, क्या आप इंग्लिश सीखते हैं?
Do you learn English?
आप इंग्लिश क्यों सीखते हैं?
Why do you learn English?
ओके, मेरी इंग्लिश वीक है इसलिए मैं इंग्लिश सीखती हूँ.
My English is weak, so that I learn English. So that's why I learn English.
I learn English. क्या आप जानते हैं खाना कैसे बनाते हैं?
And do you know how to cook?
नहीं सर, मैं नहीं जानती हूँ खाना कैसे.
No sir, I don't know how to cook food.
ओके, लेकिन मैं जानती हूँ गाड़ी कैसे चलाते हैं.
But I know how to drive a car.
How to drive car.
A car.
ओके, क्या आप जानते हैं इंग्लिश कैसे सीखते हैं?
Do you know how to learn English?
ओके, हाँ मैं जानती हूँ इंग्लिश कैसे सीखते हैं.
Yes, I know how to learn
आप इंग्लिश कहाँ सीखते हैं?
Where do you learn English?
आप किसके साथ इंग्लिश सीखते हैं?
With whom do you learn English?
Do you learn English? मैं साक्षी के साथ इंग्लिश सीखती हूँ.
I learn English with Sakshi.
ओके, दैट्स ग्रेट. आपका जो ट्रांसलेशन है वो ठीक है. यू नीड टू डू मोर प्रैक्टिस. नेक्स्ट टाइम आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर टुडे सेशन.
Thank you, sir.